In a world where obesity has become a growing concern, many struggle to find an effective solution. With countless weight loss products flooding the market, it's hard to know which one to trust. But amidst the noise, there's a remarkable breakthrough that's capturing attention and changing lives. Introducing Lanta Flat Belly Shake, the revolutionary weight loss supplement that will transform your journey to a slimmer, healthier you. In this video, we will take you on a captivating journey into the world of Lanta Flat Belly Shake, revealing its all-natural ingredients and scientific evidence that support its effectiveness. Lanta Flat Belly Shake is a powerful weight loss supplement crafted with care, using only the finest all-natural ingredients. Say goodbye to excess fat and hello to a nutritious substitute for your meals. This remarkable shake provides your body with the essential nutrients and energy it needs to thrive, all while helping you shed those unwanted pounds. Imagine a life where your cravings for unhealthy foods are curbed, and your belly fat starts to vanish. With Lanta Flat Belly Shake, that dream can become a reality. The carefully selected ingredients work together to burn fat, suppress appetite, and boost metabolism. Finally, a solution for those struggling with unhealthy food cravings. Your safety is our utmost priority. Lanta Flat Belly Shake is produced in a state-of-the-art facility with a GMP certification and approval from the FDA. You can trust that every scoop of this fat-burning powder is of the highest quality, ensuring a risk-free and safe weight loss journey. Wondering how to incorporate Lanta Flat Belly Shake into your daily routine? It's simple. Just mix 1 scoop of the powder with water or milk, and you're good to go. You can even add it to your favorite smoothie bowl or morning shake. If you prefer, enjoy it as a satisfying snack, ideally in the morning or early afternoon. The choice is yours. Now, let's dive deeper into the science behind Lanta Flat Belly Shake. It targets a hormone called GLP-1, which plays a crucial role in weight loss. Sometimes, even the most effective diets and exercises fail to address the underlying issues preventing further progress. That's where Lanta Flat Belly Shake steps in. By optimizing the function of the GLP-1 hormone, it ensures efficient sugar absorption, providing your body with the energy it needs to thrive. Let's explore the powerful metabolic nutrients that make Lanta Flat Belly Shake truly exceptional. First, we have EGCG, derived from Asian green tea. This antioxidant-rich ingredient not only boosts metabolism and increases fat burning but also helps maintain healthy insulin levels and regulate blood sugar. By inhibiting the stress hormone, it helps control hunger pangs, ensuring you maintain a caloric deficit. Next up is cinnamon bark, a centuries-old Asian herb known for its natural remedies. Recent research suggests that cinnamon bark can aid weight loss by inhibiting glucose absorption, reducing appetite, and improving insulin sensitivity. It's a powerful ally on your journey to a healthier you. Mangosteen, a tropical fruit native to Southeast Asia, is another key ingredient in Lanta Flat Belly Shake. This wonder fruit promotes fat breakdown, optimizes blood sugar levels, and reduces oxidative stress. Say hello to a revitalized body and reduced fat storage. Panax ginseng, a herb originating from China and Korea, complements the formula by helping lower triglyceride levels and reducing abdominal fat. Its benefits extend to improving physical and mental performance, making it an excellent addition to your weight loss journey. Lastly, we have ashwagandha, an Ayurvedic herb with a rich history. This powerful ingredient increases metabolism, boosts immunity, and helps reduce fat storage. Experience increased energy and a strengthened immune system, allowing you to conquer your weight loss goals. But don't just take our word for it. Scientific evidence supports the effectiveness of Lanta Flat Belly Shake. A study conducted by renowned researchers showed that participants who consumed mangosteen juice experienced significant weight loss compared to those who didn't. Mangosteen juice has the potential to be a natural appetite suppressant, aiding you on your weight loss journey. Furthermore, studies on green tea, cinnamon bark, and Asian ginseng have revealed their remarkable benefits for weight loss, waist circumference reduction, and improved insulin sensitivity. These natural ingredients work in harmony to help you achieve your desired results. We are so confident in the power of Lanta Flat Belly Shake that we offer a 365-day, 100% money-back guarantee. If you don't experience the transformation you desire within a year of purchasing the supplement, simply return it for a full refund. Your satisfaction is our priority. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have already embraced the Lanta Flat Belly Shake revolution. It's time to take control of your weight loss journey and say goodbye to excess fat and unhealthy cravings. Embrace a healthier, happier you with Lanta Flat Belly Shake. Order your supply of Lanta Flat Belly Shake today and embark on the path to a flatter belly and a more confident you. Don't wait, take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle now. Choose your package below.